The reverse dumbbell press boosts upper chest and tricep, reduce shoulder pain by keeping elbows tucked, enhance bicep forearm engagement and breaks plates by adding variation, offering better muscle activation than standard presses, especially for shoulder sensitive lifting seeking well-rounded development. Push-ups performed with hands elevated on blocks or dumbbells or chair increase range of motion for deeper stretches, significantly boosting upper body strength, muscle growth in chest, shoulders and triceps, and core stability. They build pressing power, improve joint control, activate more muscle fibers, and enhance functional fitness by making you stronger in the weakest part of a push, leading to better performance